In this lecture, I am going to modify our GetBlocks API endpoint to load total comment count for each block, and I am going to add comment count to a short functionality to our GetBlocks API endpoint. Each of our block can have multiple comments. So let's create a hasMany relationship inside our block model. Let's create a method called comments inside our block model, and then let's return a hasMany relationship from our comments method, and we need to create the hasMany relationship with our comment model, and inside our comments table we have block ID. Now let's open our block controller, and our GetBlocks API endpoint is calling this list method. Now I will load total comment counts for each block with the help of withCount method, and inside this withCount method we need to pass the hasMany relationship method name, and it is comments. Now let's test this endpoint again. Now we have comment counts key to every blocks. Okay, now let's add comment count to a short functionality. So I already added ID and created at wise short functionality. Let's add comment counts here also, and from the request URL let's pass short by field as comment counts in the query parameter, and short direction to, this should be short order not direction, short order to descending, and let's try to execute this endpoint again. Now you see we are getting the block which has most comments at the first position. Okay, so our comment count to a short functionality is working. If I check our code, you see we pass this short by field and short order to this order by method. That's why data is sorting. Okay, let's change it to ascending. Now we are getting the block which has least comment at the first position. So our comment count was short functionality is working. Now let's add total comment counts key inside our block details data key. Okay, so our block details endpoint is calling details method of our block controller. So I will load total comment count for this block also with the help of withCount method. Let's pass the hasMany relationship method name here, and let's try to execute this endpoint. You see we have comment counts to our block details JSON key. So our comment count functionality is working. In the next lecture I am going to add block like and dislike functionality, so stay connected.